Hi Priyanka. What are you?
Hi.
What are you making?
Oh well, I'm making lassi. So we have some curd here, and some grounded sugar, and some rose water. So I'm going to make a rose lassi for you, rose flavored lassi for you.
And this was new to me because I'd had it before with cardamom, but here they make it with rose water,
Yes.
and it's delicious. The other thing is here you make it sometimes using some buttermilk as well to thin it.
Yes, that's correct. So buttermilk hasn't come as of now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use curd in it, and I'm going to add some water in it.
Thin it down.
And so the idea is that either you use buttermilk or you use curd, but it doesn't have to be very thick.
Yeah.
So I've added water and I've added curd, and now I'm adding a little rose water. So it has to be not too much. So I'm just adding 1 tablespoon. Okay, and we're just going to give it a whisk.
And this was, you'll see once Priyanka makes it, the consistency of it, this was a new thing to me. It's definitely thinner than if you have it at like an Indian restaurant in the UK or somewhere in the West.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can come here and see
Have
that's
a
just
look.
all the consistency is almost watery.
Yeah.
And
here was the first time I had it made with buttermilk as well. I've
Yes.
never heard of that. That was a new experience. That was incredible. I will definitely do it that way because I make my own butter when I'm at home, so I will do that one.
And I want you to try, Christopher.
Will do. Actually, if you take the camera, you can
Okay.
watch me try.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I know I love it already. I've been asking you 100 times to make it whilst I've been here. Yeah.
Something less?
It is lovely. It's absolutely, and it's so refreshing, and it just sets you up for the day. I love it.
And the thing about lassi is that you must have it in one go. You don't have to keep the glass down. So
Yeah.
that's the very North Indian or the Punjabi way of doing it.
Thank you very much.
So
Well,
there's some little left. I want you to,
have some more.
refill your glass
Oh, I
to
will
the
definitely
brim.
get through this. Yeah.
Yes. One more sip maybe.
So, cheers.
Cheers to you.